Hi, I'm Dr. Rajdeep. I'm a dermatologist and dermatosurgeon practicing at Charma, a skin, hair and nail clinic attached to Chirag Hospital in JP Nagar, Bangalore. MesoBotox is a misnomer. Mesotherapy is a type of treatment which is done without much scientific evidence. Whereas MesoBotox has a lot of scientific evidence, it works for every patient who undergoes it. So Mesotherapy on the other hand is using Dermaroller or some sort of microneedling to create channels in the skin and deliver products like growth factors which may or may not be useful. So for some people it may help, some people it may not help. This kind of thing is called as anecdotal improvement, or some people have given anecdotes that this mesotherapy may improve. So the right term for MesoBotox would be MicroBotox. MicroBotox means you're using a very small quantity of Botox which is diluted, very high dilutions, and very small injections are placed precisely in the intra-dermal layer of the skin. It's not randomly injected into some layer. It's not like mesotherapy where you may inject in dermis, you may inject in epidermis, you may inject in subcutaneous tissue. You may not inject at all, you might just do Dermaroller. Whereas MicroBotox is very precise, it has to be injected in that particular layer if you want good results. If you inject deeper, it just gets wasted. If you inject superficially, again it comes out through the pores and gets wasted. So MicroBotox is a very skilled procedure which is performed by qualified aesthetic practitioners and aesthetic dermatologists, and this gives you skin tightening. This reduces oil secretion, so it reduces the size of the pores, it reduces the sweat secretion, and its effects last anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks. It's not a permanent treatment. It does not have effect on your muscles. The dilution that is used is so low that the entire Botox which is used can be used to treat one frown muscle on your forehead. So you may use very small units, but the treatment requires expert hands. Therefore, the cost of the procedure might be as much as a Botox. So it's not because the amount of Botox used is high, it's because it requires specific skill set which a very few doctors will be able to deliver good results. So if you have open pores, if you have a function coming up, if you want a smooth glass-like skin, get MicroBotox done. The effect starts in 3 to 7 days and it lasts 4 to 6 weeks. And it can be repeated as often as you want.